Let's try the manual way first, and then we'll move on to doing the automatic way. So how do we perform a transpose? Let's select the fields of item here from item to 20. We want to transpose this table, so let's select to 20. Now this is selected. What I'll do is Ctrl C, that is copy that, and then I want to transpose the data I have here below that field. So I'll come here and select any of the cells. When I select any of the cell, I'll paste. I want to paste, but I don't want to Ctrl V, because when you Ctrl V, it's just going to paste exactly the same thing that you copied. So I want to do a conditional paste. So I come here and say paste. Remember that you have the paste button up here. So I click the drop down button here to see the different options that I can paste. Now the first one here says paste P as regular paste. You can see it's already showing here. Now if you go over to the second option, it's sort of like paste F, that's formula. If you go to the next option, it says formulas and numbers formatting, and then you keep going until you see transpose, which is T, and I click that paste. Now when I click that paste, it transposes the table to this one here. So rows become column and column become rows. Yeah, so I'm going to select 6 here, 2 column and 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After selecting that, with that stick selected, I'll type in my formula equals transpose in bracket. I'll specify the field I want to transpose, and the field here from item to 20. So item is M9, is M10 rather. Item is M10, not M9. M10 to 20. The number 20 is in R11. R11. Close the bracket. Now I do not want to click enter, because if you click enter, you're not going to get the transpose. What you're going to do is hold Ctrl Shift Enter together, and you get that transpose table in this field. There you can see that item and amount is transposed from column to row. Bread, donut, cookies, cakes, and price is transposed from column to this one is transposed from row to column, and this is transposed from column to rows.